Let's open it. In this package there are one stem smartphone holder, one smartphone holder with charging cable, this is the end of the cable that must be placed on the motorbike battery. This is a USB port. How to put the smartphone. Turn the button on the back to the right clockwise. When it is open, then put the smartphone. To lock the smartphone so that it is tight, press the smartphone down. Check the locking angle of this smartphone holder. Make sure it is properly locking the smartphone. To open it, turn the button on the back right clockwise. When it is open, lift the smartphone from the holder. Press the red button to close this smartphone holder. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck.